automate integration between SOLIDWORKS or SOLIDWORKS PDM and Dynamics 365 Finance using PDM2 FinUp add-in. In this example, you can see the selected item doesn't exist in ERP as per PDM preview. The same can be confirmed in Dynamics ERP. This assembly along with its children will be automatically transferred as soon as they are approved. After the file has been approved, the transfer process is started and a status dialog is shown. In the dialog, the process status of transfer can be seen. It is possible to push the transfer process to the background if required. After approval is over, ERP details can be previewed in preview windows. Now if we check Dynamics 365 Finance, transferred items will be available. Bill of Materials version can also be seen. Created BOM version would have been approved and activated. We can preview the ERP Bill of Materials inside SOLIDWORKS PDM. Now let us modify the Bill of Materials inside Dynamics 365 Finance by changing the quantity of a child component. We can see the modified BOM immediately inside the PDM preview. In the PDM BOM preview, it is possible to see BOMs from the previous date or for different configurations. Since this BOM is created now, if we select the old date, BOM is not seen. Using BOM Compare, it is possible to compare PDM BOM with ERP BOM. Differences are highlighted in red. Child item property differences can also be seen. It is possible to compare with previous versions of ERP BOM or for different configurations. Results of the BOM comparison can be exported to an Excel file. It is also possible to create new files inside the PDM using the number series in ERP. Instructions have been given in the help document for creating a template card for the creation of a new file using a serial number that is dependent on the ERP number series. Using this SOLIDWORKS add-in, it is possible to perform integration operations directly from the SOLIDWORKS without the need of coming back to the PDM window. We can also preview ERP data directly inside SOLIDWORKS or compare the bill of materials. No additional license is required for the SOLIDWORKS add-in. Using the optional reporting add-on, it is possible to see how many items have or BOMs or entities have been created by users or entities created during a certain period of time inside ERP. Data can be grouped based on the required period or for the required user. Data that is seen here can be exported to Excel for further analysis. Before exporting, data can be sorted or filtered as per requirement. Graphs that are seen here can also be exported for further analysis. Graph types can also be changed based on convenience. Using the log viewer, it is possible to search previous logs for possible exceptions and other required information. Process list can also be seen in the Process List tab, showing the list of ERP data transfer processes.